Hey guys, Alex here, and I'm in beautiful Broad Beach. This is where are we staying? We're at the Sofitel today. Have a look, it's a beautiful pool, lovely here. And I'm actually working, believe it or not, guys. This is a little trick, right? There's a little thing that you need to do, and that is, if you haven't yet done it, download the Amazon app. Download it here on your iPad, on your device, because you want to be able to research products pretty much anywhere where you are. And that's the advantage of having a business like Amazon. Finding hot products, finding quality suppliers, and being able to research with a touch of a button. So you need to have this, and you need to run stats. And this is a conversation I had this morning. I was talking to a lady, and she was interested in a particular product. She goes, "What do you think of this product?" And I said, "Well, you got to run the stats." And she goes, "Oh, okay, right. Well, what do you think of this product?" And I said, "Well, you got to run the stats." And you need to do it. And if you're not carrying around a computer or an iPad or a phone, how the heck are you going to run stats on a potential product that you're interested in? So you need to do this research, and before jumping on any product, you actually need to research. And most people, unfortunately, do diddly squat in terms of research, right? And those people are the ones that actually list something on Amazon and it doesn't sell. And they scratch their head wondering why. And I know you don't want to be in that boat. I know you don't want to end up in that situation where you can't sell products. I've actually had people approach me and they say to me, "Alex, I've listed my product on Amazon and it's not selling. And can you help me sell the product?" Right? Now that's a conversation I would rather not have with you. So it's very important to research your product, make sure it is making money, make sure it does meet the parameters and the specifications that I put out in my other videos. Make sure that there's not too many competitors on that particular product. That's a big thing. Don't jump on products or niches that have too many competitors in that niche, right? The products we typically choose for with clients, and we'll just go this way, right? The products we typically choose for with clients are the ones that don't have a lot of competition. So when you jump on the particular product, there isn't many people to compete with, right? So it has some fantastic advantages of doing that. And it enables you, if you jump on products that don't have a lot of competition, it enables you to really dominate in that niche. Now you can do other things like PPC. And that is stuff we actually teach. We actually do teach PPC, so how to actually advertise on Amazon. Now, do you need to do that in most products? No, you don't really need to do it. Does it help? 100%. And it's something that you could do, right? But we do actually teach you how to go about setting up campaigns. And we've actually got people who do it for you. So I don't only just teach you guys how to do it yourself. I actually do it for you in some cases for some of my students. All right. So if you're time poor, if you're like, "Alex, I just want you to do it for me. I want you to list my first product." I actually do that for a lot of students. And we do list products on Amazon. We do set up PPC campaigns. I had a client right now, I'm setting up about 12 different products, 12 different campaigns for 12 different products. Okay, I've got a team of 4 around the clock essentially doing this for clients. So we're actually quite busy. But in saying that, guys, just don't worry about PPC. Don't worry about jumping on 12 products. Just jump on one product for now. Get something going. Get something started. And then later on, you can jump on as many products as you want. But learn the process. Learn the process from pretty much A to Z. Learn the process of finding great products, finding great suppliers, and then listing those on Amazon. And then later on, later on, figure out how to do PPC or learn from me. Okay, guys, have an awesome day. Now, if you have questions, if you want to join one of our workshops, if you want to join our training or join me on some of our training sessions, don't forget, visit our website. We've got a free training there. Plus, give us a call, 02-8003-7534, and speak to one of our team members, and we can assist you. You can find out whether or not Amazon is for you. It's not for everybody, all right? Some people don't only want to make a couple of $100 a week or a couple of $100 a month, right? That's not for you. If you're serious about making money, if you're serious about treating this as a serious business, literally a serious business, Amazon could be the vehicle for you. So give us a call, that number again, 02-8003-7534. Have a fantastic day, guys. I know I will. And I'm just enjoying the beautiful night. This is just expensive. Look over here. That's good. Come on. Got Tim the handyman behind. Guys, have an awesome night. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.